Tyler, go cut me a board 14 7/8 inches. 14 7/8. Mr. Harden won't care, half will be close enough. Most important thing that I feel that you need to learn as a carpenter coming into my class is how to read a tape measure. There's many different types of tape measures, but they're all basically the same as far as how they're broke down. Every one of them that we've got here in this class reads to within a 1/16 of an inch. And if we can get something within a 1/16 of an inch, then we're doing good. This video I've got today is, I'm hoping it's going to help you understand on where to find your 1/16ths, your 8ths, your quarters. Most students can get a 1/2 inch, no problem, but it's when you get down to the smaller increments that they have trouble. So I hope this will help. This is the easiest way that I know how to show you guys how to learn to read a tape and how to break down an inch. What I've done is I've drew the breakdown of an inch in a large scale so you can see it better, and I'm going to show you a little trick on how to learn which line is which. And all you have to remember is the lengths of the line. On every tape measure, the line length of each fraction is the same. Starting with the longest one will be a 1/2 inch, and as the increments go down from a 1/4 to an 1/8 to a 1/16, the lines always get shorter. And I'll show you a good way to remember those. The first two lines you see will be your 0 and your 1, or your 1 inch increment. And if you slide this paper down, the first line that you come to, you see, will be this line right here, which is a 1/2 inch. And what that means is that there's two equal parts in an inch. There's this side and this side, in which are both equal, and it's right in the center, so it makes it 1/2. Your 2 on the bottom, which is your denominator, what that represents, it represents how many sections, equally sections they are. And on this case, there'll be 2, 1, and 2. If you slide your paper on down, the next length of line you'll see is your 1/4 inches, and what you get there, you'll have 4 equal sections, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then that means your denominator will be 4, so you can place your 4 in here. Then on your top number, the way you know all your top number, all you have to do is count the lines. Like this line here will be 1/4, this will be 2/4, which is a 1/2 inch, and this will be 3/4. Slide your paper on down, and you come to your 8ths. And the reason we know they're 8ths is there's 8 equal sections in an inch. So that's your denominator, and then your top number, count by odd numbers, which would be 1/8, 3/8, 5/8, and 7/8. And the last one that we're concerned about is your 1/16ths. If we can get anything within the 1/16th, we'll be doing good on construction. We don't ever take anything any closer measurements than a 1/16th in framing, which is what we basically do in this class. So when you get down to your 1/16th lines, which will be the shortest lines on most tape measures, you'll have 16 equal sections within each inch. So your denominator will be 16, and then again you count by odd numbers, and you start with the first one will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. And that is the total breakdown of an inch to a 1/16th. And again, that's all we're interested in, is getting it down to a 1/16th of an inch.